Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Technic Launcher, how to give it an entry in your start menu so you can search for it, and also how to install Optifine with any other mod pack. I'm also going to show you a few settings that you'll need to change to get larger mod packs to run. First, you're going to want to download the launcher. I'll have a link to the download page in the description, or you can just search Technic Launcher, and the first result should be this official downloads page. Then scroll down and download the version that corresponds to your operating system. This guide is going to be for Windows, but some of the things will be transferable to other operating systems like the launcher settings. Once you've done that, we're going to want to create a shortcut so it can go into your start menu. Right click on it and press create shortcut, then rename the shortcut just to be techniclauncher.exe. Make sure you don't rename the official version. At this point, I'd also recommend moving the techniclauncher.exe into a safe folder like document so you don't end up accidentally deleting it. I'm just going to leave it in my downloads for now. Once you've done that, press your Windows key, right click on any program, go to More and open File Location. You'll either appear directly in this Programs folder or you appear in the subfolder like this. If you do, just click on the Programs text up in the top and it will bring you to here. Drag and drop the shortcut into there. Click Continue with Administrative Permissions, and you should see in the recently added Technic Launchers there. You should also be able to search for it, and then open it like that. Once you've done that, you're just going to want to open your Technic Launcher from your Start menu. Once you've done that, you'll see this screen. You're going to want to choose between either Standard Install or Portable Mode. For most people, I recommend Standard Install, but Portable Mode will allow you to install it to a USB stick to move it between computers without having to reinstall the whole launcher and all of your mod packs every time you want to use it on a different computer. I'm just going to go ahead with Standard Install and wait for that to install. It's going to take a few minutes though, so we can get Optifine in the meantime. Search up Optifine and go to optifine.net. I'll have a link to that page in the description, but it should just be the top result. Make sure you're on the official optifine.net site because I have seen a few clone sites that could try and download malicious files onto your computer. Once you're there, go to the downloads page and download the right version of Optifine. Most mod packs will be on version 1.12.2, but you just want to double check to make sure you get the right version of Optifine. Once you're sure you have, click Mirror and then the download button. If you don't have an ad blocker, that might bring you to a ad. In my case it hasn't, so you can just close down all of your windows because we're not going to be needing them now. Now you need to log into your Mojang account. You're probably going to want to click Remember This Account. Otherwise it will log you out of your Minecraft account every single time you open the Technic Launcher. Then log into your Mojang account. I'm going to skip to directly after I've done that. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be greeted by this menu. Go to Mod Packs, and you'll only see a few at first, but don't worry, there's a much wider selection. Search for the name of the pack you want to install, in my case it's Techit, and click on whichever result you want. Then just click Install. While that's installing, I'll show you the options that you're going to need to change to get larger mod packs like the Techit mod pack to run. Go to your Java settings page and make sure you've selected your 64-bit version. You don't actually want the latest version of Java because certain older versions of Minecraft will run into issues, so I'm just going to leave it at default. Now change your memory allocation. 1 gig is not going to be enough, the mod pack's not even going to load, so I recommend using 6 gigs, but 4 gigs might cut it. I personally use 6 gigs because I have enough memory and it will give you headroom in laggy areas. You don't need to change any more of these settings, so just click close and it will save automatically. While that's done loading, we're finished installing Optifine. Open another Windows Explorer and go to your downloads. Open your Optifine jar and then click Extract and then Save. That's going to extract the mod file out of that executable jar. You can delete the original Java file. You're going to need to have run that version, in my case 1.12.2, in the official Minecraft launcher first, so make sure you've done that. Then open a new Windows Explorer window with Windows key E and go to %appdata%. Then go to .technic. That will only be there if you install it to the default location. If not, go to wherever you installed it to. Then go to Mod Packs, Techit 3 Official, and Mods. Drag and drop your Optifine mod file into there. Once your mod pack's finished downloading, you should be able to just run it. I'll skip to that to show you that this actually works. The mod pack's finished installing, so you just want to click play. It will make sure everything's installed properly and load it up. It may take a few minutes to load because there's quite a few mods on Techit. As you can see, there's a lot of them in here. It's running fine. If you actually run out of memory here, it could crash, which is why I recommend using 6 gigs. Also, it could crash halfway through your gameplay, and you really don't want that. Here you go, the mod pack is up and running, and as you can see, it's got all of the Optifine settings. Thanks for watching, that's all for today, bye.